Additional of Vietnam cuisine. First up, we need oil. Put a measurement. You must measure the oil to this amount. Okay. About like this. Should be enough. Now we wait for the oil. Yeah, we wait. Wait until you hear this sound. You hear it, right? Okay. Good. Turn up the heat a little bit. Just spread the oil.
Garlic, not put a garlic.
So first we put
Egg, we want to put egg first, no.
Don't put it first. You don't put the egg first, Ed. If you put the egg first, it will be hard for you to wash the dish, you know. So yeah, we put in the rice first. Remember, every time we must put in the rice. Separate the rice. Next, put in the egg. Remember, egg is very important in fried rice. Oh my god. Remember to keep an eye on the food as it might burn. Okay. Although the rice might seem soggy, but after all, it will start to be the moist will start to evaporate. So you'll need to wait. Again. While waiting, we just need to swing it up.
Don't forget put fish sauce also.
Oh. But first, we need to put a little bit of the seasoning, you know. So yeah, not too much salt, about like this amount, you know, and then spread it around here. Trust me, I'm the best cook. I've been to MasterChef Junior. You know. Yeah. Okay. So after this, we just make sure we give it a little bit of a stir. If you have wok at home, you should use a wok to cook fried rice, as mostly wok will not stick. The egg will not stick. You see this? But if you put egg first, it will be more worse. So it's best to put rice first. This is a great tip for you, you know. You know what I mean? Alright. So after this, we put the heat down a little bit, about this level. After that, you see this thing is a sambal. We should put it in. This is a little bit of a Malay kick, you know. So yeah, put it. It's up to you if you want to put it, but I want to put it. Yeah. So yeah, I want to put it. Yeah. Okay. You put like about this amount. Yeah, you see, about this amount. Bam. Okay. Now, it should make the thing taste nice, a little bit of a Malay cake. Okay. You see, if you put egg first, it wouldn't be easier to scrape all those egg skins out. So yeah, remember, put rice first. Yeah, put rice recipe. Remember this. I'm professional.
First, then not put the meat and
Okay.
veggie.
Put a little bit of dark sauce.
Oh, dark sauce put also.
Dark sauce must put on.
A bit there.
So dark sauce, it will make it nice, like really nice. Put like this amount, you see this line here, you know, this amount. Then you just mix. You should not make the rice.
About meat and veggie.
You see this too? Meat and veggie. It's best to put these two last as they cook faster. Yeah. Just scraping the egg away. Okay. Next, we put in this.
What is it?
Bam. This is veggie.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Yeah. Cabbage. Cabbage. You smell the aroma, right? So next, put in this. Now this is another thing. It's optional for you, but you can put a little bit of sambal on the meat to make it taste better. That was the Vietnamese type of meat.
How about the mala chili paste? That one put another one.
Don't put lah. This one, that one don't put. That one for like mala lah. This is not mala. This is Fryrice. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay. So this is a Vietnamese type of meat. As you can see, we're expecting it to be golden brown. Okay, so put in a little bit of seasoning. Of course, must put seasoning. This is a must. Okay.
Not until too salty.
Okay, good. That amount.
Fish sauce put another one.
Fish sauce, we'll put, but after we stir this and then I think we put it now. Better, right? Better, right? Put it on the meat. Okay?
Not too salty.
Make it not salty, so okay. So now we just mix. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and we are done.
Off a gas.
Yes.
Then put the dish. Then put to the dish. Off gas already. Okay.
Okay, now it's time testing.
Put to the dish. Bring the dish already.
Okay, so it's time to test. Please stop it. It tastes nice. It tastes a little bit moist, but still good.
Put to the dish. Then we can end video. Put to the dish.
This.
Another dish. Put another dish. Then make it look nice.
Don't mind me. Just gonna this away. Just gonna put this here.
The gas off properly already.
Yeah, of course. Why you Okay.
faster.
So now, we put in
Bring the spoon to help. When you cook, you not pop the.
this heavy man, just a small child.
Okay, enough. Okay, bring. Put some more. Put some more to the dish. Then bring to the table. Okay. Bring to the table.
Here we go. My very own signature Fryrice with Vietnam and Malay paste. Yeah.
Okay.
This.
If you like,
What is it called?
subscribe.
Wait, what is the... sambal. Remember, if you want to put sambal, yeah, you can put sambal, but it's optional.
Okay, should end already.
So, please turn on notification, like the video, subscribe.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.